Hi guys, today I'm at a friend's house and I'm reorganizing his cupboards. This is the before, and then I'm going to show you what all I put in his cupboards to help it look organized and neat. So I started off with these containers. I got them at Walmart for $4 each. 2 of them have sugar in it, the other one has flour in it. I got the spice step rack thing at Walmart as well. This was $10. These canisters from Walmart were $3. The one has brown sugar, the other one has powdered sugar, and the other one has breadcrumbs. This gray locker style bin I got at the Dollar Tree, and inside this one I have potatoes. These containers I got at the Dollar Tree, they came 2 in a pack. The one on the left has tea bags in it, and the one on the right has seasoning packets in it. This white container I got at the Dollar Tree, and inside this one I have baking goods in. These containers with the purple lids I also got at the Dollar Tree, and I put different pastas in. This is another one of those spice step-up racks from Walmart that I paid $10 for. This can organizer also came from Walmart. It was $14. Here is another one of those white containers from the Dollar Tree. This one has pastas in it. Here's 2 more of those gray locker style bins. On the left I have jarred stuff, and on the right I have boxed food. Here's another one of those Dollar Tree white bins, and in here I have bottled condiments. Now on to labeling. I got these chalk labels at the Dollar Tree, including the chalk marker as well. I wanted to show you another way of labeling, and I started off by printing what I wanted labeled. I used a high quality ink, and then I put packing tape on and took a credit card and pressed down on the tape. I soaked it in lukewarm water for 1.5 minutes, and then I rubbed the paper off while still under the water. And as you can see, the ink came through onto the tape. After the tape dries, I took a fine tipped Sharpie and went over the letters. And now the labels are legible. And this is the final project of how everything turned out. I've got my labels on everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video.